and see. Yeah. Hey, that's a dinosaur skeleton. Look, this is a dinosaur skeleton. And a T-Rex. Uncle Joe gave me one of these. Uncle Joe gave me one of these on Thanksgiving. Uncle Joe gave me one of these on Thanksgiving. Can eat that plane. Can eat that plane.
Oh my gosh.
It's a plane. Whoa.
Can you say hi to Mommy and Daddy?
Hi, Mommy and Daddy. We got presents.
Calvin, say hi.
Hey, that one's a pteranodon.
Calvin.
Wow, you
Here.
got a pteranodon one.
Calvin, talk to the camera. Say hi to Mommy and Daddy.
Hi.
Say I miss you.
I missed you.